You know, I treat the old man right with the grey beard, my friend. See it, yeah? Champagne and thing. Oh gosh, my boy was raised by the old nature for you. Man was raised by the old nature for you. You see my mom, my boy say, champagne, set up everything for you, candle light and thing. Ain't no give him a little sugar in the tea. No, man. Oh, I'm going to say, wait. Oh, she knock it past the boy. I lie. I want the jungle bunga bunga. I want the jungle bunga bunga. Brick. Brick, pam, brick. Brick, pam, brick, pam, brick. Ha! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekejt, aka Ty, and I am back with another video for you all. Now, this video is gonna be me. Now, this video is me reacting to Vybz Kartel, Then You and Me official short film, whatever it is. I'm not even sure what it is. And the ad is catching me right away. When
people think of Verizon as a reliable.
And it's a 15-second ad. Yo, Jano star.
We weave security into their business.
But anyways, if you all
digital transformation never stops.
Verizon keeps business ready.
Anyways, if you're all new to the channel, smash a subscribe button. I want you to subscribe, touch the bell to get notifications every time I post a new video. Now, all the Kartel fans them, just like the video now, man, and drop a comment supporting the general. You see me I say? And I say straight into the reaction, support the Jamaican boy, support the yard man thing. Check out my channel left from the new. Me done talk. Ready? Bricks? Ha! Wednesday. What? 1:15 a.m. them time of my night I wake up out here, man. Shut by music, blah blah blah.
911, what's your emergency?
Then you and me. A Jay will flame 1 month earlier. I tell you what, back out, Mama. Cynthia, Jaja, your beard that connect like how my beard try connect right there. So you see me, I say me I try a thing with the beard. You see me, I say anyway, Cynthia.
You come to tea ready. You could even say good morning. And I tell you about this thing.
I'm here, Mama. I deal with the boss, up. I deal with the shiny the boss, up.
Ask if the tea ready. We can't get the tea.
Soon get it ready.
We can't get the tea.
No, you can't get the tea ready, boss.
Carry come here. So.
No, beer. I wonder if a beard that going to look like that. I wonder if that going to look like that. Anyways, got you.
We can't get the tea before it called today.
Yes, sir.
If I mean by that, she had tea on him backside. But we can get tea before it cold.
All right. Here is the tea. You want anything else, sir?
Good God of grace.
Burn him! Your blood clot.
You think we could have get a little sugar in that tea?
No.
Really and truly. You want
Sour sugar the dog want to.
tell me
Yo.
You want to tell me how me fi eat?
Wait, why, Arrow? You want to tell about how to eat? Arrow? Hold on.
What a wife supposed to do?
No.
Take care of her.
No.
And not taking care
You
of
take care of me straight.
I tell you what I'm back out.
The people them where you that I for.
I lie.
And them quick for broke your vibes down.
Yeah, dog. Yeah, dog. So what I do? Why you have this old man that sing a voice over? I do the voice over. No. You should just play the song, dog. You can't make this old man that sing my song, dog. But anyways, got you. I like me at you. I just want to chat something. Lord. Back said every day I like me, man. 8 minutes. I don't think I go watch all of this. No, sir.
But when me do you that so cool. You go out and you way for your
hurt me. And me go out and way for hurt you. You mean?
We keep going.
I have me. No, hold on, dog. Where you get the people here from? Two old people argue. No. Hold on.
Can't love, this a surgery.
Yeah.
You too lie, me too jealous.
Yeah.
Me so cross, you're so
Fed up.
Man,
boy, I feel the song. I'm too live and so fed up. Man, boy, I feel it, dog. Alright, 1 week earlier. What's going 1 week earlier?
I forgot. Me can't stay, me can't leave.
See it, yeah. Check, my boy set up dinner and date and everything for you. And you still try to go around in the morning and try to hurt the man and thing. You know, treat the old man right with the gear beard. You know, I treat the old man right with the grey beard, my friend. See it, yeah? Champagne and thing. Oh gosh, my boy was raised by the old nature for you. Man was raised by the old nature for you. You see my mom, my boy say, rare. Champagne, set up everything for you, candle light and thing. Ain't no give him a little sugar in the tea. No, man. Oh, I'm going to say, wait. Oh, she knock it past the boy. I lie. I want the jungle bongo bongo. Ah, I want the jungle bongo bongo. She knock it past the boy, dog. Trouble did it. John was star. She knock it past the boy. Why-oy. Mama, knock it past the boy. How the old man that house, I say. Bumbucker, man. John was star. See it, yeah. John, you know, I get copyright here on 10,000 times already, you know. But I still go upload the video. You see me? I say, I'm just going to like the video and subscribe, yeah? But, she knock it past the boy, dog. No, I can't take it no more.
That is good. I can't see her, I can't hear from her. I call her, she don't answer her phone.
Yeah.
I force she take man fire, you know, so I can't bother with this. Can't bother. Can't bother with this.
Yeah. Where they pan, babes?
Can't bother with this.
Yeah.
Oh, honey, you shouldn't have.
No, say,
Oh, honey, you should have. Oh, don't fake no blood. Stefan, oh, honey, you should have. You feel the man go bad again nothing after you do all of that.
where does that come from? Who that?
Coming from
Who does that?
Brother Solomon from me.
Brother Solomon,
Yeah.
carry on. Me not tell you about that brother there.
He lives on the way to our house.
Me
That
not
is
care
why I
when
asked
leave.
him.
Me tell you, say me not want him come back here.
You
Me
deaf?
tell you, say that man, I look you. That
He might
man
look you.
ulterior motive.
Yeah.
You're not seeing it.
Yeah.
Me tell you, say,
The
me
man
don't.
just,
Me don't.
Brother Solomon want the... Hey!
the man just wanted.
Man, I of course we are cuss a morning, but morning and tea. Me can't get little sugar in my tea.
Yeah.
Now me have to see you with man.
Yeah.
If you need
Nothing.
it. Yo.
Trevor, take that out of your man. Nothing.
Take what out.
Take what out of wish, man, the bread, so.
The man want to take something off for you. You have to tell me about take that off of my mind.
No, man.
Give you a, the man want to give you more than a drive. It's alright. The man want to give you a
Hey! The man want give more than a drive. It's alright, the man want give. You deaf?
You know.
You can't stay there. Me don't have to do what you want to do. Me will do what me want to do.
How did that woman, there, man? How did that young that old man, there, man? John, what?
Sit down.
Oh.
It's people wait till when you're down. To do you wrong. Them
There.
never did-
Why? Mama coming in at the hey, mama coming in at the what they call it, the 90 in the lingerie, the 90 them now we're none under the 90 and be and something. Mama ready if it get sort out in my general. But ja. We reach 4 minutes in the video 8 minutes. And what time on the clock? What time on the clock here now? 9:47. Alright, got you.
Made up excuses come suddenly like bring up something from 1999. So you
That's him. Hold on there. Oh, yeah, bit, but he might be. And that's why she cheap on you because you not get the attention when you forget her, brother. Yeah, watch TV when mama come say they ready for get sort out, my G. And you move like say you don't want sort out, mama saw you out. But John was star. The video you bad in the dog, I'm gonna watch a full video in the dog. I'm going to see him, we still laugh. Yeah, turn off that bomber. My time.
So you go out of your way for hurt me.
How are this, man?
Out of my way for hurt.
Yo, every day I'm burning up people, but guess what? Now I'm going to leave you with a cliffhanger right there to people. I want to see if people really want to see me react to them things. You see me I say? So, smash a like button and subscribe and comment, make me know say on the like when I react to videos. You see me I say? I'm going to react to the video them. But for now, it's been a boy Tyrekejt. Thank you for checking out my channel. And I will catch y'all in another video. Peace out.